Alright guys, this is Redneck here with a little tutorial, maybe. I think that's what it's called. I think that's what it'll be. But got a toy belt, self-propelled here. It's my mother-in-law's. So you can got the belt driven up here, everything else. But this video particularly, I want to show you how to change the oil on a push mower. Alright. This one you'll have a plastic guard that goes up here, then you have the blade right here, and right behind that plastic guard there's this thing right here. See if I can get my finger on it. This thing right here. See if I can get in closer. That's what that is. Basically, I had to take that out. You can take this regular ratchet and then have the tip right here on it. This is an extension. The ratchet will have this piece right here already on it. Basically, you stick that motherfucker right up under there. I don't know if I can get it in there. And you just loosen it. Just like that. Well, I've already changed my oil. That's what my oil look like. Ooh, yeah. Ain't been changed in like 2 years. But I put the plug back in there, about to fill back it up with oil. Put the blade on there. Clean it out from underneath it. It's a pretty damn good mower. But other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Later guys.